Hey guys, it's Munch TV here, and today I am going to be reviewing one of my slimes. It's called the Unicorn Eingus slime. Why is it called that? Well, one of my friend's dog's name is Eingus. So, below my feet I have me and William's slime box. Here's the slime. So this slime, we're just going to tell you how to take care of it and keep it good. So here's the slime. It's cool. It spreads like a butter slime, which I think is super duper cool. To take care of it, you have to put it in an airtight container. We like to put it in a container that is not this container. Sometimes we put it in a sandwich container that we use for school. As you can see, the cameraman William is playing with it, and it's really fun to play with. It's one of the most fun things to do with it is probably poke it or make swirls with it, because I know that some people really do not know how to make a swirl, and this is just what it looks like. And then you poke it, bring the middle up, and it's really cool. The one thing that people think is really cool is when it goes in this container, it gets air bubbles, and then you can play with them. When it gets air bubbles, that just means it's not getting air in it.
Okay, so we're gonna do a stretch test. Let me just show you how stretchy this thing is. Okay, guys. So
you have to watch.
Okay,
the video.
3, 2, 1.
You stretch.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's.
All right.
Come here.
All right, guys. Well.
No, walk.
Stop being Kevin. Don't touch it.
As you probably already know, this is the Unicorn Eingus slime. As you can see, it's very stretchy. Now, I'm gonna show you guys just a simple trick.
Thank you guys so much.
Wait! Okay, now that we got.
Thank you guys so much for watching Munch TV, and I am sorry we have not been posting any videos. We've just been really busy because it's summer. Now, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to comment down below.
Like, subscribe, and always see you guys next time. Love you guys.
Don't do it.
I love you guys.
Comment.
See you next time. Comment down below. Like, subscribe, and make sure to turn that bell icon on. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Wait, you guys. Remember to comment down below which is your favorite thing we said about this slime. Is it poking?
And if you want us to show you a tutorial on how to make this slime.
Yes, comment down below if you want a tutorial. We're going to try to get this video up to 50,000 likes. So bye!